The wild calls to our sense of adventure and wonder. These forests are beautiful, mysterious, and dangerous. The same woods that inspire awe can become deadly in an instant. Survival is about mindset, humility, and adaptability. The stories of those who vanish are warnings, not just ghost tales. Respect the wild, and it may let you return with a story. Your survival depends on knowledge, preparation, and self-control. Go explore, but go prepared and humble. The wilderness is both magnificent and merciless. Respect its power, and you might just come back with a story of survival. The best survival strategy is not getting lost at all. Respect the wilderness. It's unpredictable and unforgiving. Preparation starts at home. Research your route, know the dangers, and tell someone your plan. Always carry essentials: map, compass, food, water, fire kit, first aid, knife, extra clothing, and a locator beacon. Don't overestimate your skills. Build experience gradually. Practice survival basics before you need them. The wild rewards humility and preparation. Your plan and your pack are your lifelines. Prepare for the worst and you'll be ready for anything. The wilderness demands respect, and preparation is the ultimate respect. If you're lost, your mind is your best tool. Panic wastes energy. Stop, breathe, and think. Remember, stop. Stop, think, observe, plan. Shelter comes first. Find cover to stay dry and warm. Next, water. Locate and purify it before drinking. Food can wait. Conserve your energy. Signal for help: 3 fires, 3 piles of rocks, or a large X in a clearing. Use anything reflective to catch attention. Stay put once you have shelter. Searchers start from your last known spot. Don't wander aimlessly. It makes rescue harder. Survival is about priorities and calm decisions. Stay calm, stay put, and work the problem. Your best chance is to be found, not to find your own way out. The right mindset is your ultimate survival tool. What really happens in these forests? Nature is dangerous enough. Hypothermia, dehydration, hidden ravines, wild animals, any can be fatal. Even a twisted ankle miles from help can be a death sentence. The forest confuses, exhausts, and isolates. But some disappearances defy logic. No tracks, no clues, no sign of struggle. Legends speak of spirits' illusions or even portals, forces that lure people away. Survivors sometimes report missing time or impossible landscapes. When people vanish without a trace, the unknown fills the void. Nature is powerful, but sometimes the stories are stranger than science. The line between reality and legend blurs in these woods. Some forests are more than just wild, they're legendary. Aokigahara in Japan, dense, dark compasses fail, people vanish. Hoya Baciu in Romania, twisted trees, strange lights, unexplained anxiety, a barren circle where nothing grows. The Bridgewater Triangle in Massachusetts, disappearances, bizarre creatures, and no trace left behind. These places confuse, interfere with technology, and unsettle the mind. Ancient, mysterious, and untamed, they are reminders that some corners of the world remain beyond our understanding. Entering them is a risk many have taken and never returned. These forests are not just places, they are legends. The air grows cold. A thick white fog rolls in, swallowing the path behind you. Suddenly, the world shrinks to just a few feet in every direction. Every tree looks the same. Your footsteps echo in the silence. You call out, but the mist drinks your voice. This is how it begins, not with drama, but with a creeping realization. You are lost. Your heart pounds. Panic is your enemy. You try to retrace your steps, but the ground hides all traces. Was that twisted oak on your left or right before? The trail is gone, replaced by a maze of gray trunks. Strange noises play tricks on your mind. A twig snaps, a whisper rides the air, then nothing. The forest turns your senses against you. Your compass spins wildly, useless in the magnetic haze. Every choice is a gamble. The forest keeps its secrets. This is the moment of truth. Survival training or fear. Do you run blindly or stop and think? The forest is testing you. Your mind is your weapon. Calm the panic, assess, and plan. Survival isn't luck. It's making the right decisions when everything has gone wrong. The first step to survival is mastering your own fear.